In this tutorial, I'll guide you through how to calculate the coefficient of variation using Microsoft Excel. For this demonstration, I'll be using a sample dataset that contains 3 measurements of a compound called enzyme Z. These values represent concentrations recorded in nanograms per milliliter, collected from a set of repeated trials. The coefficient of variation, or CV, is a useful metric for assessing the consistency or precision of a method. In other words, how reliably the assay produces similar results. The CV is typically shown as a percentage. To compute the CV, you'll need 2 key statistics: the average, or mean, of the measurements, and the standard deviation. To begin, we'll first calculate the mean. In Excel, click on an empty cell and enter the formula equals average open parenthesis. Then select the range of the 3 readings, close the bracket, and hit Enter. Next, to get the standard deviation, select another empty cell and type equals CDEV S open parenthesis, close parenthesis, again highlighting the same range of values, closing the bracket, and pressing Enter. Now, to determine the coefficient of variation, you'll divide the standard deviation by the mean and then multiply the result by 100 to express it as a percentage. In a new cell, type equals open parenthesis standard deviation cell divided by mean cell close parenthesis times 100 and press Enter. In this example, the CV for enzyme Z across these trials is approximately 1.8%. And that's how you can calculate the coefficient of variation in Excel quickly and efficiently.